This is Shiur on Tefillah. We are getting close to Shavut, and the Mishnah in Avot says to get ready and prepared for Shavut. There are 48 ways to acquire wisdom and Chokhmah of Torah. And we went through some of them. Now I want to talk about something very important and crucial, and maybe a lot of people don't realize how crucial this is. And it says that emunat Chachamim. You have to have faith in Chachamim. In other words, a lot of times learning Torah, you feel that it just one learn, that's it, nothing more than that. But this Mishnah becomes to teach us that all of the feelings of a person regarding to other people, feelings about HaKadosh Baruch Hu, feelings about Chacham, without the rabbi that you are learning from, all of these things that is strong impact on your learning. The learning would not be a learning without that. Now, the person could learn physics from a professor, even though that doesn't believe in him, that he is a right person or is corrupted, could learn for chemistry. You could learn from them. But to acquire real Torah, it's not just the knowledge of Torah. It is transformation of Chokhmah of HaKadosh Baruch Hu to a person. It's not just knowledge. A person could have all of the knowledge of Torah, but in reality, it's not Torah. Because the knowledge of Torah is not Torah. The Chokhmah of Hashem, transferring the wisdom of HaKadosh Baruch Hu to a person, that is Torah. Now, these 48 ways, a lot of them has to do something that you do with your friend. You have to be noseh be'olim chavero, you have to take Israel, yoke with this to your friend, and you have to be sameach bechelko, and you have to do a lot of things that got nothing to do straight with the Torah itself. And that is the point here, that without that, you cannot be Konei Torah. Now, one of them says that you have to have faith in Chachamim, you have to have ma'amin Chachamim, emunah to Chachamim, faith to Chachamim. And that is very crucial. In other words, it's very crucial to have emunah that even though that you don't understand what they say, but they know better. They know better. They know how the Chokhmah of Torah. Now, a lot of times, the person goes to a surgeon, and surgeon says that you should do this and that, even though that doesn't make sense, he would tell himself, I'm not a surgeon, I don't know. He knows better. But it's a very natural phenomenon that people have when it comes to Torah, when it comes to halacha, when it comes to what is the Chokhmah of HaKadosh Baruch Hu, everybody feels that he knows better. Therefore, if they don't understand something, then they say, no, I don't go for it. No, the person has to have faith in Chachamim to understand that, sometimes it takes time to understand something that the HaKadosh Baruch Hu says. A lot of times we are in the sugya of Gemara. In other words, when we are breaking the sugya and talking about first days, we don't understand a lot of things. It's not clear. Why is it like that? Why? It's against a lot of things in Torah. And when we go through with Mefarshim, it was explaining and go to the depths of it, understand, wow, how much depth is there, how much understanding is there, and you see everything is harmonized together. But we didn't know. Now we learn. It's always room for learning. And once you learn, it becomes more clear. You understand more. Now, besides that, I want to say something else also. It's very important. A lot of times people go to shul, and you tell them, how do you like the Rav? I love the Rav, such a good person. I'm growing with it. Therefore, that's a good wife. That shows that it's happening. Sometimes you go to a person that, how is your Rav? And he says, I'm going to that shul because my friends are there. I don't believe in this Rav. I don't like him. I don't like his style. I don't believe in him. Now I tell you something. Being in a shul that you don't believe in a Rav and you don't trust him is a poison. It's a poison, first of all, for yourself. And it's poison for your friends and poison for everybody. It's a poison for rabbis. It's the most dangerous thing that could happen to a person. Because the person has to go, for example, Somebody goes to a surgeon, he's doing surgery on his heart. He doesn't believe in it. Every step of the way, you have a driver to take you someplace, and you don't believe in him. Every turn that he makes, and then you get fight with him. You fight with him because you don't accept him. Now here, from a rock in the shore, you are getting your source of nutrition that you have to get. It's very important. Not just a matter of going to shul. It's not just socializing, going to shul. We are socializing, we are together with our friends. No, you don't go to a shul that your friends are there. You go to a shul that you grow. Because your friend doesn't take you to Olam Haba. Growth takes you to Olam Haba. Growth would help you to be a better member, better husband, better father. Friends just makes you to laugh a little bit at time of Torah, or at time that you shouldn't be talking. What? That's socializing. You want to socialize. You go to your friend, you make a night together, and you're together, socializing and making laugh for laugh. I'm not against that. It's very good. But sure, Rav is a place that you get your nutrition, forever and ever and ever. If you eat the food stays only for time being. Like the food of Ruchniot, I learned something from my Rosh Yeshiva 40 years ago, so fresh, so alive, as if it was, I got that nutrition today. It's alive in my life, guidance in my life, everything. That's why I said, like Romer, just like Romer passed, you do Hadrova. Why do you do Hadrova? What's the point of lighting on like Romer? Because he explained to us, Shomer Yuchar, at the day of his Ketira, like Romer, he revealed a lot of secrets in Torah. One of the secrets Zohar, Sutra, was written on that day because he revealed it to us. So what did he give to us? He gave us light. Love means giving light. Now, you give greatest gift to people. You give them food, you give them a mansion, you give the best car, you give nicest dress, nice. All of this type of gifts that you give, at the end of the day, there's a duration for it. It goes, it finishes. There's a termination for it. But the light that the person gives to somebody else, the light of education, stays forever. Forever. Forever is a different person because of the light of education. Therefore, that's why, like when we do Hadrova, to show that the Akiva gave us light, give us light. And that is the surah of the shul. Person should get the light, and that light should stay forever for him. And that's what Mishnah means, that one of the 48 ways of in Torah is Emunat Chachamim. Because without that, it's almost impossible to make.